Did you know that the average driver can spend several hours every winter scraping ice and snow off their windshield? It sounds unbelievable, but when you add up those freezing mornings, the time loss becomes surprisingly significant. Now imagine getting into your vehicle on a frosty morning and simply removing a cover to reveal a clean, clear windshield underneath. Sounds pretty good, right? Well, that's exactly why windshield covers have become one of the smartest winter accessories for drivers in 2026. Today, we're counting down the 5 best FrostGuard windshield covers that can save you time, protect your vehicle, and make winter mornings dramatically easier. We compared every product based on durability, weather resistance, ease of installation, security, coverage, and overall value for money. Some of these covers excel in heavy snow, others focus on paint-safe protection, while one product stood out as the most complete all-around solution. Be sure to stick around until the very end, because our number one pick offers a level of protection and stability that could completely change your winter routine. And while you're watching, I want to hear from you. How cold does it get where you live? And what's the worst windshield scraping experience you've ever had? Drop your answer in the comments below. We read every comment. As always, all the links are in the description below. Now let's dive into the countdown. Number 5. Starting off our list at number 5 is the Lamical windshield cover for ice and snow. And if you're looking for a tough, affordable, and highly secure winter cover without spending a fortune, this one deserves your attention. One thing that immediately makes the Lamical stand out is its aggressive approach to staying in place. While many entry-level windshield covers rely on simple elastic bands that can loosen during windy weather, Lamical takes things several steps further with its impressive 4X stability system. You get powerful magnets, anti-theft security flaps, mirror straps, and wheel hooks working together to create a surprisingly secure fit. This means less worrying about the cover shifting overnight during strong winds or winter storms. Another area where the Lamical performs exceptionally well is material quality. Its heavy-duty 800D Oxford fabric is actually thicker than what you'll find on both the FrostGuard Deluxe and FrostGuard Vortex. That extra thickness translates into better durability, improved tear resistance, and a more rugged feel overall. The waterproof PU coating also does an excellent job preventing moisture from reaching the glass, helping minimize frost formation underneath the cover itself. In real-world winter conditions, one of the most satisfying aspects of using the Lamical is how quickly snow removal becomes. Instead of scraping and brushing for several minutes, you simply remove the cover and watch most of the snow slide away instantly. Compared with the FrostGuard Deluxe at number 4, the Lamical offers stronger wind resistance thanks to its magnets and wheel hooks, though some drivers may still prefer the Deluxe's completely magnet-free design. Against the Zetum at number 3, Lamical wins in universal compatibility for sedans and SUVs, while Zetum shines more with larger and boxier vehicle designs. The FrostGuard Vortex at number 2 provides superior structural support during blizzards thanks to its fiberglass poles, and our number 1 Teflify ultimately delivers a more refined combination of security and weather protection. Even so, for drivers who want rugged durability, impressive stability, an excellent value without spending top-tier money, the Lamical remains one of the smartest buys on this list. So what do you think? Are you comfortable using magnetic windshield covers, or do you prefer strap-only systems? Let me know in the comments, because this debate gets surprisingly heated every winter. Number 4. Coming in at number 4 is the FrostGuard Deluxe Full Coverage Windshield Cover, and this is the product that many drivers choose when they want dependable winter protection without the worry of magnets touching their vehicle's paint. If you've ever been concerned about debris getting trapped beneath magnets and potentially causing minor scratches, FrostGuard designed this cover specifically with that concern in mind. Instead of magnets, the Deluxe uses the company's FitFast elastic strap system combined with anti-theft security panels that close inside the vehicle doors. The result is a surprisingly secure fit that remains stable during challenging winter weather while maintaining a completely magnet-free design. One of the reasons the FrostGuard Deluxe has built such a loyal following is its simplicity. Installation is quick, straightforward, and beginner-friendly. You don't have to deal with wheel hooks or multiple anchoring points. Just position the cover, secure the straps, close the doors, and you're done. The heavy-duty polyester exterior paired with a protective PVC backing creates a reliable barrier against frost, snow, sleet, freezing rain, and ice buildup. During everyday use, snow removal becomes incredibly easy because most accumulation simply slides off when the cover is lifted away. Compared with the Lamacall at number 5. The FrostGuard Deluxe sacrifices some material thickness and extreme anchoring strength, but it wins when it comes to ease of use and paint-safe peace of mind. Compared to the Zetum at number 3, the Deluxe focuses more on winter-specific performance rather than year-round versatility. Zetum can handle sun, hail, and other seasonal conditions more effectively, making it the stronger all-season option. When compared to the FrostGuard Vortex at number 2, the Deluxe serves as the foundation for what the Vortex improves upon, particularly through its fiberglass support structure that handles heavy snow loads better. And when placed beside our number 1 Tevlify, the Deluxe falls behind in overall wind resistance and advanced anchoring. However, not everyone wants the most aggressive setup. Many drivers simply want reliable protection that's easy to use every day, and that's exactly where the FrostGuard Deluxe shines. The included mirror coverage is another welcome bonus that helps keep visibility clear during cold mornings. If paint protection, convenience, and dependable winter performance are your priorities, the FrostGuard Deluxe remains one of the safest choices available, so tell me which matters more to you, maximum grip or maximum paint protection. Number 3. Sliding into the number 3 position is the Zetum car windshield cover for ice and snow, and this is where things start getting really interesting. If durability is your number 1 priority, the Zetum makes an incredibly strong case for itself. Built from premium 600D Oxford fabric, this cover feels substantial the moment you take it out of the package. It's thick, rugged, water-resistant, and specifically designed to withstand harsh winter conditions season after season, measuring a generous 70 by 50 inches. The Zetum offers excellent coverage for a wide variety of vehicles, including sedans, crossovers, SUVs, MPVs, and many trucks. One area where the Zetum truly separates itself from many competitors is its all-weather versatility. While most windshield covers focus primarily on winter protection, the Zetum is designed to perform year-round. It can help shield your windshield from snow, ice, frost, hail, leaves, dust, and even intense summer sunlight. That extra versatility adds tremendous value for drivers who want a single solution throughout the year. Security is another strong point. The anti-theft door flaps lock securely inside the vehicle, while adjustable wheel-mounted elastic straps help prevent lifting during strong winds. The reflective side mirror covers are also a thoughtful addition, improving visibility and adding a layer of safety when parked overnight. Compared with the Lamacall, the Zetum offers broader coverage and stronger all-season usefulness, though Lamacall's 800D material is slightly thicker. Compared with the FrostGuard Deluxe, Zetum wins in versatility and durability, but the Deluxe remains simpler and faster to install. Against the FrostGuard Vortex, the comparison becomes more specialized. The Vortex performs better during severe snowstorms thanks to its fiberglass support structure, while Zetum provides superior all-around protection against hail and general environmental exposure. When compared with our number 1 Tevlify, the Zetum loses some ground in anchoring sophistication and winter-specific optimization, but it remains one of the best overall values in the entire ranking. For drivers who face challenging weather year-round and want maximum versatility from a single purchase, the Zetum is an outstanding choice. What do you think is year-round protection more important than specialized winter performance? Let me know below because this one is a tough call. Number 2, just missing out on the top spot, is the FrostGuard Vortex full coverage windshield cover, and honestly, this product came incredibly close to taking first place. What makes the Vortex different from almost every other windshield cover on the market is its innovative fiberglass side pole system. While most covers simply rely on fabric tension and attachment points, the Vortex introduces actual structural reinforcement. That may sound like a small detail, but when heavy snow starts piling up overnight, it can make a surprisingly big difference. The fiberglass poles help the cover maintain its shape, resist sagging, and perform more effectively during severe winter storms. The overall construction is equally impressive. A weather-resistant polyester exterior combined with a stick-resistant PVC backing helps prevent frost, snow, ice, and freezing rain from bonding to the windshield surface. Like the FrostGuard Deluxe, the Vortex uses a completely magnet-free securing system featuring fit-fast mirror straps and anti-theft door panels. This makes it an excellent choice for drivers who want strong security without any concerns about magnets touching painted surfaces. Compared with the Lamicol, the Vortex delivers better storm management and structural integrity, but sacrifices some of the aggressive magnetic anchoring. Compared with the FrostGuard Deluxe, the Vortex is essentially the upgraded version, offering significantly better performance during heavy snowfall. Against the Zetum, the Vortex wins when winter conditions become truly extreme. Though Zetum remains the stronger all-season option, the only product that ultimately outperformed the Vortex was our number one Tevlify, largely because of its exceptionally versatile anchoring system that adapts better across different vehicle types and weather situations. In everyday use, the Vortex dramatically reduces morning cleanup time. Remove the cover, and you'll often find a clean windshield waiting underneath. The included mirror protection further enhances convenience, making cold mornings much less frustrating. Yes, folding the cover can take slightly longer because of the fiberglass structure, but most drivers happily accept that trade-off in exchange for superior snow management. If you regularly deal with blizzards, freezing rain, and heavy snowfall, the FrostGuard Vortex is one of the most capable winter protection systems you can buy today. So here's my question. Would you trade a little extra storage bulk for significantly better storm protection? Number 1. Taking the number 1 spot on our list is the Tevlify windshield cover for ice and snow. And after comparing it against every other contender in this countdown, it consistently delivered the most complete combination of durability, security, convenience, and winter performance. If you're searching for a windshield cover that can confidently handle almost anything winter throws at it, this is the one that impressed us the most. Right from the start, the Tevlify feels like a premium product. It's built from durable 600D Oxford fabric combined with multiple waterproof protective layers designed to resist frost, snow, freezing rain, and harsh winter conditions. But material quality alone isn't what earned it the top position. The real game changer is its exceptionally comprehensive anchoring system. Tevlify combines embedded magnets, anti-theft door flaps, wheel straps, and additional securing points into one highly effective package. This creates outstanding stability during windy conditions and helps the cover maintain close contact with the windshield surface. Compared with the Lamicol, the Tevlify feels more refined and better balanced overall, offering stronger weather protection and enhanced mirror coverage. Compared with the FrostGuard Deluxe and FrostGuard Vortex, it delivers more aggressive anchoring and a closer fitting design, though some users may still prefer the magnet-free philosophy of the FrostGuard lineup. Against the Zetum, the Tevlify offers superior winter-focused performance and broader compatibility across different vehicle styles, while Zetum remains the better choice for drivers specifically seeking year-round utility. In real-world use, Tevlify turns one of winter's most annoying chores into a quick and simple task. Remove the cover, shake off the snow, and reveal a clean windshield ready for the road. The reflective mirror covers add another layer of practicality while helping keep mirrors free from ice buildup. Installation takes only moments, removal is effortless, and the durable construction suggests years of reliable use. Whether you're a daily commuter, a family driver, an outdoor parker, or someone who simply hates scraping ice before work, the Tevlify delivers the best overall balance of protection, convenience, durability, and value in 2026. That's why it confidently earns our number 1 recommendation. That wraps up our countdown of the 5 best FrostGuard windshield covers in 2026. From the rugged and budget-friendly Lamicol to the paint-safe FrostGuard Deluxe, the versatile Zetum, the storm-dominating FrostGuard Vortex, and our overall winner, the Tevlify. Every product on this list offers a unique approach to making winter mornings easier. The best choice for you ultimately depends on your vehicle, your climate, and the features you value most. Now it's your turn. Which of these windshield covers would you choose, and why? Let us know in the comments below because we'd love to hear your opinion. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest reviews, comparisons, and buying guides. Thanks for watching, stay warm, drive safely, and remember, all the links are in the description below. We'll see you in the next video.